Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Big Data Computing Week, second assignment second. So the first question is which of the following best describes the reason for data locality in HDFS? So these are the option: to reduce disk I/O latency, to improve CPU utilization, to increase network throughput, to reduce data transfer latency and improve performance. So the answer of our first question is D. Now the second question is which feature was introduced in HDFS Federation to overcome scalability issues? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B. Multiple name nodes with independent namespace. Now the third question is why is the HDFS default block size larger than traditional file system? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C. It minimizes disk seek time and maximizes throughput. Now the fourth question is what happened when our data node fails to send heartbeat to the name node in time? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is C. Data node is marked dead and blocks are re-replicated. Now the fifth question is which map reduce feature make it highly fault tolerant? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is A. Re-execution of failed task on other nodes. Now the sixth question is what would be the outcome if the replication factor is set to 1 in HDFS? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C. There will be no tolerance to node failure. Now, the seventh question is which of the following is not a component of Hadoop 2.x Yarn architecture? So these are the option: Node Manager, Application Master, Resource Manager, Task Tracker. So the answer of our seventh question is D, Task Tracker. Now the eighth question is in HDFS, the parameter DFS block size is primarily tuned to. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C. Control the number of blocks a file is divided into. Now the ninth question is which map reduce phase is responsible for combining all values with the same key? So these are the option: map, shuffle, reduce, partition. So the answer of our ninth question is C. Reduce. Now the tenth question is why are many small files problematic in HDFS? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B. They cause name node memory overhead. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.